Hello, Sherilyn here. I have a new project for you today, and it's going to be a so simple one. Let me show you. These are plaques, metal, that I bought while visiting a friend in Lubbock. And I bought these. They had butterflies, and they're like stuck on decal butterflies. All three of them did. I have three of them. But they have since gotten old and have come off except for this one. And what I am going to do is I am going to replace the butterflies with a Dollar Tree hack. I've got these sheets. I think they were $1.25, and these are sheets with contact paper in the back, and I'm going to cut them off, and I'm going to put them in the butterfly sections. I got 4 of them. I thought I had 4 of these, but I don't. I only have 3, but that's okay. I have these pretty contact paper sheets here. There's my 4th one. Pretty. And I'm going to be using this one and this one and this beautiful one with some shiny sections on it. And I'm going to cut them out, and I'm going to just place them over this right there. Just replace this on each one and then hang them back outside where I have them on my back porch. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I've washed these because they were pretty dusty being outside on the wall on the back patio. We've had a lot of dust storms here in Las Cruces. So first of all, I'm going to take a measurement of what I need to cut, and then I've got my trusty little scissors to cut them out. So it is 8 by 8. Fantastic. So I'll put that there. Ooh, see, there's still a little bit of this one. Okay. 8 by 8. I think I'll practice for this one first. Okay. I never really know what I'm going to need until I start doing it, and then I realize I need a pencil and a straight edge. So now let's bring this little guy. I pulled off the butterfly on him. See? And now I'm going to peel and stick it. These are so hard to peel though. I've never really been able to peel these very well. They say, oh, just peel and stick. Yeah, right. Easier said than done. Oh, well, hello there. Now, let's see if I can do it. Nice and even. And there's one. No, that's not too bad. Oh. It's not perfect. But like I say, it's going to be on a wall on the back patio. So that's okay. Oh, these things are dusty still. All right, the next one would be this pretty guy. think I'll measure them all. Oh, that fits so much better. See? Yeah. All right. Here, old guy. Here we go again. There it is. Okay. Whew. Okay. My little corner's back. See, that one fits so much nicer. See? So much nicer. Okay, then last but not least, is this other one? Let's measure this one to see what it is. Marble looking thing. Fly by butterfly. How do I want this? Is that the way it is? Or is it this way? It's this way. Okay. Let's try this again, shall we? And there you go. So there's 3. And there we've got 1, 2, 3 with pieces left over. And you know, you can do this even with frames. If you have the cardboard underneath the glass on a picture frame, you can cover that cardboard and there's a picture. And you've already got a frame. These already had frames, they're metal. So I now have 3 pretty pictures to put back out on my patio. I'll hang them and show you how they look. There's my first one. Pretty, pretty. Okay, then I'm gonna walk over here to my second one. How pretty is that? Okay, and then the third one, I'm gonna have to go around the chairs. And then here is my third one. So they look pretty good. Now I'll give you a full view. Yeah, there they are. We've got 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. Easy peasy, easy, easy, easy project. Took very little time. Okay, y'all have a great day. It's going to be 67 degrees here in Las Cruces in the middle of winter. Love it. Bye.